Before there were instant messages and disappearing stories, we sent each other these small, deliberate hellos from wherever we were. A postcard that said, "I thought of you while I was here," and I cared enough to find a stamp. It wasn't urgent, it wasn't optimized, it was slow and perfect and beautiful. I have this habit of writing in my notes app before I begin writing, and I always overestimate how much space I'm given. But the one thing I keep reminding myself is you don't need a lot of words. Just enough to say, this place was made 100 years ago. This cafe smells like the crepes from home. I wish you were here. And unfortunately, we're losing that. The patience, the pause, the physicality of sharing a thought with no expectation of an immediate reply. Next time you travel, consider sending one. Buy a card or use the free stationery from your hotel. Write a note, find a mailbox. You'll be surprised what it does for you and the person receiving it. In a world that moves too fast, a postcard is a whisper across miles that say, "We are here together."